Hello everyone. WooCommerce is a plugin that can turn your WordPress website into a professional e-commerce store. Now you must be wondering, what if I am just a beginner? Well, need not worry, because in this video I am going to give you an entire guide to WooCommerce. I'm Aparna Singh Dev from LearnWoo, and let's get started. First, go to your WordPress website. Enter your login credentials and sign in. In case you do not have WordPress installed and you want to make a WordPress website, do click on the link mentioned in the description. Once signed in to WordPress website, now let's first install the WooCommerce plugin. It can be installed for free from the plugin search by typing WooCommerce or uploaded directly to your WordPress site. Here I will be searching and installing it. Well, for that, go to your WordPress dashboard, move to the Plugins tab, select Add New. On the search bar, add the keyword WooCommerce. Now click Install when the plugin appears. When it's ready, click Activate button. Once the process is complete, your WooCommerce plugin is set to use. Now let's start with Setup Wizard. The first page of the Setup Wizard starts with some basic questions about your store that you need to enter. First, we need to enter the store details. Store's address, your country, PIN code. Well, all these details can be changed later on the WooCommerce settings page if necessary. So next, choose and add the industry your store operates in. For example, here I am selecting fashion apparel and accessories and now clicking on continue. The next step is to set whether you plan to sell digital or physical products. Alternatively, you can also choose premium types by paying an amount, but here I am choosing only the physical products. On the next screen, you are required to add some information about your business. Select the number of products you plan to display. You also need to state if you are selling products on another platform or not. Moving forward, the next step is to choose a theme to display your products. Both free and paid themes are available for WordPress. Install a WooCommerce supported theme. So by default, the free theme will be chosen. Below, I have mentioned a link in the description to an article about themes to give you a clearer picture. Now here, let's select the theme. I'm selecting the theme named Storefront, which you can get for free. Now this is how your store would look after selecting this particular theme. Since we are starting a new store, let's add the products manually. First, we need to configure everything concerning the product. First, let's add the title and description of the product. Enter the name in the title section. In the description, add a long description that explains the features and benefits of the product. Now add an image. Now choose the product type. Well, choosing the product type depends entirely on what you are selling. So you can choose from simple products, grouped products, external or affiliate products, or as variable products. Now here I'll show you how you can add these 4 types of products and how that would look in your store. So let's start by selecting the simple product first. Select simple product from the product type options. Once you select that, the simple product data settings will appear, including general settings, which is for configuring regular and sale price of the product. Inventory, that is used for adding SKU, that is stock keeping unit and managing the stocks. Shipping, that is for configuring product weights and dimensions and selecting shipping class. Linked products, that is for selecting products for upsells and cross-sells. Attribute, that allows you to add product attribute for a better description of the product. And advanced settings for adding purchase notes, menu orders, and enabling reviews. Once all settings are configured, click the Publish button to publish your WooCommerce simple product. Now this is how your simple product will appear in your store. Next, let's add a grouped product. Just like simple product, first let's provide the details for the products like its title, description, category, and the product image. Next, scroll down to the product data option and select grouped product from the drop-down. Here you'll notice that the price and the other fields have disappeared. Well, this is because a grouped product is simply a collection of child products, or you can say as other products under one category. We'll need to provide such information for the child products later. Now click Publish for now. Now your parent product is ready. Now keep adding child products, and here you can see that I am adding a few of the simple products. Then assemble all these child products and the parent product. For which, head to Products. Now here find the grouped product that you created and click on Edit. Then scroll down and head to the linked product section. Type the product name in the field in front of the grouped products to search and add simple products from your store one by one. And when you're done, click Update. Now you can see them on the product page, something like this. Now next, let's add affiliate products. First, go to Products, Add Products. Now enter name, description and other required fields like we did with simple and group products. In the product type, choose external or affiliate product. Well, here you can see that two additional fields in the general section. One is the product URL and the next is the button text. So product URL, here you can enter the URL of the external seller who is selling this particular product. And the button text, display a text of your choice on the button linking your store to the external product. For a product that is directly sold in your store, this button shows Add to Cart. Enter the necessary details and publish. Now this is how your product will look in your store. You can see the links that we have added here. Now let's move on and add a variable product. Enter name, description and other required fields like we did with other products. Then when you select a variable product, you can see a product data meta box has more options. These are specific to this particular product type, such as attributes and variations. So go to the attribute section. Use the custom product attribute dropdown. Let's add the attribute size to this product. Now in the values type 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now click on Save. Now go to Variations and enter the price accordingly. Now this is how your variable product looks in your store. And here you can also see all the different products added. After adding all these 4 products, there are 2 more options to modify the 4 core product types: virtual and downloadable. Virtual, use this option if you are selling an online digital product, and use downloadable to enable this option if the downloadable file is associated with the product. Now click on the link mentioned in the description to know how to add virtual and downloadable products. After you have added all your products, go back to WooCommerce and Home. Click Setup Payments. You are required to select which payment processor you want your store to use. Here I am selecting cash on delivery. You just need to tap on this particular button to enable this option. Now let's place an order and see how it looks in the store. Go to your store, select the product, add to cart, go to cart and check out. Now you can see the cash on delivery option here available for payments since we have enabled the option in the payment settings. Now select cash on delivery and place the order. And your order is placed on cash on delivery. Well, WooCommerce also supports many payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, Authorize.net. Choose the one that suits your store perfectly. Now let's set up shipping. Go back to WooCommerce, Home, click Setup Shipping. Add the shipping cost. The shipping cost entirely depends on the zones you want to cover and the products you'll sell. Here I'm selecting US California. You can also change these numbers later. Now in the shipping method, you can either choose flat rate, free shipping or local pickup. Here I have chosen the flat rate. You can also use various plugins available in the plugin section to get a better accessibility for your store shipping. To add the best WooCommerce flat rate shipping payment method plugins, click on the link mentioned in the description. So now if we go to the store and place the order, you can see that the shipping cost has been included here. Now let's set up tax. Go back to WooCommerce, Home, click Setup Tax, insert a new role and add the relevant tax details. Click Save Changes when you are done. At this point, you have configured everything that was needed to start a WooCommerce store. Before you proceed to customize your store, check that everything is working correctly. By default, WooCommerce automatically generates several pages required by your store. They include Home, Cart, Checkout, My Account, and Shop pages. To make further changes to your WooCommerce setting, go to WooCommerce, Settings screen. You'll find options to change your tax, shipping, payment, and email settings. You can also extend the functionality of the WooCommerce using different plugins. To further customize WooCommerce, you can use WordPress plugins. There are many free and paid plugins available that you can use. For example, we can set up payment through PayPal standard plugins as well. For which, go to Dashboard, Plugins, now search plugin and type PayPal. When it appears, click on Install and then click on Activate. Now go to WooCommerce settings and enable it in the payment section. And that's all, we are done. From this video, you can see that setting up a WooCommerce store isn't that difficult. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be signing off and we'll see you in the next one.